Hi friend, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make more money and become a wealthy barber. The most important tool or ability if you wanna make more money, and I'm not joking here, is to know how to manage your money. Okay, so if you wanna make more money, make sure first that you don't lose the money. I have a question for you. Do you know exactly how much money you made last month and how exactly you spend it? If the answer is not, you have a very big problem that you need to consider right now. Trust me, you will remain broke forever if you don't take this seriously. You see, everybody wants to know how to make more money quick, but few talk about how to manage it. If you make $100,000 a month and you spend $100,001, you will still be broke. And trust me, the more money you will make, the more ways to spend you will have. You may say, okay, when I will have $100,000 a month, I will start manage it, but now I do not have too much what to manage. Wrong. If you can manage $100, you will never manage 1 million. There are many more very expensive ways to spend your money as long as you make more, so you need to start taking care of your money straight away. Let's take a real example. If you earn last month, I don't know, $3,000, and you buy today a new pair of Gucci sneakers or whatever at $750, you will throw away 25% of your money to buy a thing that you don't need to impress somebody you don't like. Okay? This is foolish, and if you act this way, you will remain broke and at the same level forever. You have to look at your money as soldiers that can be used to work in your advantage. Every new dollar can bring another one. So for that you have to use them smartly for your necessity, savings and investment. So to have a good management over your money, you need two instruments. First, you need a tracking tool. You need to know exactly how much you make each month and how much you spend. You can do it on a paper or in notes on the phone. It really doesn't matter where you track your money as long as you do it. You just have to make sure that it's easy for you. So the second instrument is a budget sheet. I hope my accent will not be weird here, but you get it, okay? And for this I like to use Google Sheets. Here you need to divide your weekly or monthly income in multiple budgets so that you make sure you will not spend everything. What is recommended and what I use is the 50-20-10-10 rule. So for example, if I earn $3,000 this month, I will divide it into 4 budgets. Necessities 50%, which will be $1,500. Saving and investment 20%, which will be $600, education 10%, which will be $300, and wants 10%, another $300. Necessities is the budget for rent, food, clothes, not Gucci and Balenciagas here, okay? And all I really need to have a good peaceful living. Saving and investment is the budget where I save money for my future project. Yes, this is how you manage to create new things that can improve your income and life. Education is the budget I use to buy books, courses or mentoring that are on the topic of my next project. For example, if I want to open a new barber shop and I feel that I will reach a new level where it will be hard to manage the team, I will pay to learn management and leadership. For me, education is the key to fast growth because it's tested. And the wants is the budget for what I want but I don't really need. Parties, restaurants, expensive clothes, etc. All I want but I don't really need. This is the budget that I use to pay for my pleasures. If my pleasures doesn't fit in this budget, it means it's not for me yet. Simple as that. Be very careful here because this is the most important thing. If you use all your money to buy things that you don't really need, you will be stuck forever. I remember a quote for, I think Jay-Z said that if I cannot buy it twice, then it's not for me. I cannot afford it. Okay, so this is very important. You see, if you work hard 25 days a month and you spend all of your money on wants and pleasures, you will be stuck in the rat race forever. This is the truth, and if it's hard for you to accept it, it's your problem. But trust me, no one will come to save you. You have to take control over your money, or you will not make anything great in this life. I saw many rich people that use the management of money as one of their main weapons in wealth creation. Managing your money is extremely important, same as making money is. You need to start doing it right away, even if you are not happy with how much your income is. You need to think of managing money and making money as two different cars. You have to feed them both with different type of fuel but they are both very important. If you are struggling with making more money, I have a free 45 minutes online training where I can teach you how to make amazing haircuts that clients will pay double to get them from you. You will learn which are the top 3 crucial elements to create outstanding haircuts fast with order, clarity and confidence like a pro barber. Click the link in the description and join, it's 100% free. So let me know in the comment if you are already managing your money and how, I'm just curious. Short disclaimer here, I am not a financial advisor. This is just how I manage my money and it helped me to save and invest in my business instead of throwing out money on things that don't really matter in my evolution. Regarding budgets and financial education, I highly recommend you dig more on YouTube with experts and even buy some money management courses if you can afford it. It will pay off sooner than you think. If you find this video useful, give a like and a share, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this, and don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified first. If you want to improve your haircutting skills, I have a video here on the right of the screen. Feel free to watch it. See you soon.